What's up, Kickstarter? This is Braden and Kobe, co-founders of ROBO 3D, and we are back after launching our first product on Kickstarter 3 years ago.
We're proud to announce not one, but two new products to the ROBO family, the ROBO C2 and the ROBO R2 3D printers.
Each one set to redefine the boundaries of 3D printing.
We've really built the industry's wish list 3D printers. Everything from best-in-class print sizes, the ability to print in 20+ materials, class-leading print speeds at 250 millimeters a second, removable print beds, built-in color touchscreens, as well as built-in Wi-Fi with a smartphone app for wireless printing. All this and plenty more.
So we really built these printers from the inside out. We wanted to be structurally sound and robust, so you could print fast, you could print big, and you could print with any type of material out there.
When we were building this new line of machines, our intention was really to put all the technology and devices that we see in smart electronics into this new line of machines.
What inspires me about the technology that we work with is how easy it can be to use. So we designed the C2 and the R2 to be a full out-of-the-box experience. Pull the printer out, a quick 5-minute setup, and you're ready to print.
We really want these products to be an extension of your personality and of your life. So as you grow as a designer, as you grow as a creator, we want this product to stand there with you and really help and support you along that line.
We've come a long way over the last couple of years. We were just a few guys in a garage trying to build a business, and now we're a team of over 30.
We really appreciate our loyal customers, fans, and Kickstarter backers. And it's because of you that we've been able to create these next generation of products. We hope you're as excited as we are to launch these new products.
Without Kickstarter and your guys' support, we wouldn't be where we are today, so we're so excited to give you exclusive access to the first use of the product and be able to get it at a discounted price. So please see what we have to offer below and message us if you have any questions at all. We're always here for you.